Hi, I'm Mansi. So here I'm going to represent the last assignment of my this course of Programming 3 COMP212 section 005. So let's see the question that were given to us by the professor of lab 5. So we were given two questions. First was that we have to finish the console application by the following requirements. So his requirements was to list these in our output, and we have to name that file by country.cs, and the other was that we have to implement a WPF app including that will include these three options and all those data that is instructed us to put in. And also we have to use MVVM pattern in that. So this is how our app is will going to look like. It's gonna have three options. First, the list of book title with authors. This is how we're gonna make that the first page of it, and then add a new book. We are gonna make it a kind of a form, and then when we put all this in that and we press save, then we can see in back to the going back to the this option list, we can see that this name will be saved to our list. It will be added to it. So let's open our question number 1. So this is the question number 1, the country.cs and the program.cs. As we know that the program.cs is the main page of our project, and here I have used, so this is how our output going to look like. So it's our output view of the output is based on this page on this cs file. So it's gonna look like this, like first country sorted by name, by resources in descending order, according all the list that we were given to fulfill our requirements. So these were the list, and I have used this varc in list, and I have put the data here country.cs that we were supposed to add it and give it the name according to the professor said. So here I have used public string int bool everything like according to the requirements to put the name, land, water, borders, everything. And I have used the get method here, and as you can see I have put this formula also here, so that all this data like Venezuela, Peru, these are the countries with their borders and all, and with their every listings regarding language, resources, everything. So this is the data, and this is at last I have put this over as string just to show this data accordingly to our requirements. I have put this formula. So according to this formula, with this formula, our whole this data will be displayed. So let's go and see how our output going to look like. It's gonna look like this. See, countries sorted by name. So countries sorted by name. See, A, B, C. Okay, and then countries sorted by resources in descending order. You can see resources, they are decreasing. See this, and then slowly their resources are decreasing. See, okay, and then we have countries share border with Argentina. So these are the countries with high population greater than 10 million. This is this, and then countries with highest population, it's Brazil. So all its resources, neighbors, religions, resources, languages, everything is written over as you can see in the list. And let's go for the second question. Okay, so this is the view model.cs that we were supposed to make it. We have three cs files. I'm gonna show it to you later. So here I have used the getSet method, and this is how our context will be shown by this formula. Here I have used for each method. So as to show the author's name and everything regarding the first, last, everything. And here also I've used to show the book names and titles. I have used for each and return method. This is the XAML. This is an interaction logic for book form. Our book form is going to look like this. According to the design which was given to our professor. And this is the main window. As you can see, I have put some features regarding shutdown, exit, and everything. So let's see how this works like. So yeah, here is the output, the window, the manage book window of our project. This is the list, book title, and author. Obviously this is the list of our book title and the authors. When I have to add something, okay, let's go for I go for ISBN, so it will be anything. For now I'm just giving an example to you guys. And okay, and let's go for the title. I'm going to Three Men in a Boat. This was the novel that I started in when I was in ninth. And I don't remember the author. Let's go for John Thompson. I'm just giving an example as I told you because I don't know it. Let's go for anything. Okay, let's go for this. And editor, it will be okay. Anything. 7. Let's save it. It says edit. Okay. So if we go to the back, Three Men in a Boat, Thompson. Okay. So it's there. Gonna exit. It's gonna get exit. So this was the lab 5. Thank you. Thank you so much.